right, Epcot, we're back. Roofies. Never look better than never. Modeling. Wow, this is amazing, huh? Oh, cool. Oh, look at it. I think this is new, huh? Wow. All right, we made it to Germany here at the World Showcase. About to go to this beer garden restaurant for the first time. Oh, beer all the time. Oh, wow, look at this artwork. Is this a fountain? Oh yeah, it is. Wow, feels almost like the Magic Kingdom. Oh, there's stroller parking right there. There we are. Welcome in. I would assume that means welcome. Okay, looks like there's a menu here. Oh no, there's not. It's for that little restaurant right there. Okay, the beer garden. Here we come. Thank you. Wow. All right, we gotta check in right now. Wow, it looks like this is an all-you-can-eat kind of thing. Wow. Right. Hopefully they give us a good seat here. Watch your step, big guy. Whoa. We're getting really close. Hey, watch your step, big dude. Another set of stairs here. All right. All right. We're really close. Have a seat, big guy. It's a buffet here?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, it's a drink?
Beer and wine.
Oh. Couple of beers here, the German beer flight, shots, wine flights, white wines, and then I got that like this speezy. Whoa, they're bringing out the long pipes, huh? That's insane. This is good. Rain? Hold on, baby. We gotta watch the show. Okay? Look, the music. Look, they can bring out the guitars. The guitars, big guy. You got soup too, big guy? Ooh, and a pretzel bread. Pretzel bun.
It's a pretzel bread.
Is that apple juice? Good? Thumbs up?
It's a little bit soft.
It's a little bit what?
It's a little bit soft, but I like it.
It's good? Go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Raise your drink, mate. All right, what a performance. Look at the soup. It's a little sour. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's good. What's that, big guy? Salmon and is that beef? Man, that looks good.
We got fish and golden green.
Your favorite, huh? That's salmon?
Yes.
Looks good.
Can I have your fork?
Yeah, that's your fork. What kind of soup is this? It's kind of sour. But I know that's what Germans like.
Beer and cheddar soup?
Beer and cheddar? So that's what it's called, beer and cheddar. It's really good. Not bad. All right. Got all this wine and then soup. All that. Some of that. Some roast beef there. Okay. Sour brown. Wow. Yeah, some more right here. Pizza. And bologna. Good, big guy? All right, my stuff is good too. Got some sauerkraut here, meatballs, roast beef, a whole bunch of different salads here. Potato salad. Wow, Sissy got you that? It's a cake.
You done with this?
This cake?
German cake, yeah. Wow, what is that?
This is
Brownie?
This is cake.
Oh, cake. Oh, you got a chicken, my favorite, right there. That's awesome. What is this? Oh, that's some sauerkraut?
Him.
Oh, you got
Chicken
the
and-
chicken's good. It's really good.
I don't know what that is, but
That's roast beef.
that's what, it didn't say that.
No, yeah, trust me, it did.
It looks like roast beef.
Yeah. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. Okay, let's find the bathroom. I think the is this? No, that's okay. Restrooms over here. Small sign. Where is it? Wow. Men, Meheret. I think that means men. Wow, look at that seat. Whoa, this is spacious. Right here. This smells good. All right. Okay. Look at the tile over here. Time to wash some hands. All right. Pretty nice bathroom. Let's go. Hey, come on. Let's find out where the other food is at. Dessert. Oh, right here. Here we go, dessert. Let's go find a plate first. Come on, over here. Grab one of these here. Okay. I want one of these. What is this? Black Forest cake. All right. What do you want, baby? Here we got brownie.
Yeah, sure.
Brownie. Right here. I think I want one too. Okay. There's Bavarian cheesecake right here. I think I want one. You want cheesecake? I'll have one of those. You want one or no?
No.
All right. And look, pineapple.
No.
I'll have one pineapple. All right. So they got chocolate chip cookies. You want one? There you go. Well, I'll try. I'll grab one and have it. Ooh, potato pancakes. Oh, I missed these. I haven't had these since I was in Afghanistan. A long time ago. Macaroni and cheese and frankfurters. You good, big guy? All right, let's go. Let's take this back to the table. Look at the flags up there. I wonder if you can sit up there. Is that a balcony? No, I don't think so. Come on, big guy, let's go. Watch your step. Potato pancakes, my favorite here. Really good. All right, man. We got a lot of good stuff here. Have you tried the cheesecake yet? Bavarian cheesecake. Look at that. They're very spongy. I like it. Really good desserts. The Germans know how to make dessert. Man.
Try that.
Oh, the brownie?
Yeah, it would be so good.
I gotta check that out. Here. We got brownie, thick and rich. This is like gourmet brownie. Like, it doesn't taste cheap at all.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It tastes rich.
1,000 much. Be just like this.
The band players? They can play. This thing got some cherry in it too. Delicious.
Good, I love this restaurant. And the color.
Tired, baby?
Go sleep on the go sleep on the floor. Why? What happens if I sleep on the floor? Yeah.
We're the last ones left in the restaurant. All right, the aftermath. You know how to dance, big guy.
From Fortnite.
All right, watch your step, guys. Till next time, beer garden. It was swell. Wow, I hear the fireworks. The fireworks, look at there. Guys, it's over there. Wow. Come on, guys, let's go. Whoa. Just in time, guys. Whoa. Whoa, come on. Just in time, guys. Wow. Come on, guys. Wow. Wow. Duck over there. 3 duckies? Yeah. What a shot.